get ready for my commercial demo production, I have one more important thing to do: deal with the nodes. I couldn't avoid 90-degree angles due to space limitations, so I have a couple. I don't have to worry about the vertical 90-degree angles back here because the end walls are base traps. But I do have 90-degree angles there and there. A simple solution is to roll up a cotton denim moving blanket and hang it in the corners. These moving blankets are from U-Haul. And now for the floor. I'll just throw a rolled up moving blanket down there. And down there. Take that, nodes.